Room is a database library from Android Jetpack that lets us store data persistently on the device. Unlike View Model, which is in memory only, Room data survives at restarts. Room has three main components. First, the entity, which maps a Kotlin data class to a database table. Secondly, the DAO, which defines all database operations like inserts, updates, deletes, and query. And third, the database class, a singleton that connects everything together. In Grove, I use Room to store study boards. So I'm gonna demonstrate on my application. The library screen is currently empty. So I'll add a new board, some random boards. And when I tap the create board, this calls view models, the add board in the view model, which goes through the repository and inserts the data into Room. The board immediately appears here. This is because the UI observes the state flow that is backed by Room's flow. It updates automatically whenever the database changes. I can also search for it in the search screen. Now I'll tap the board to open it, and I can edit these boards. So when I tap the save button, it calls the view model.add boards, which use boards copy to keep the same ID, so Room know which row to update in the database. So now I'm gonna delete these boards, and it shows a confirmation. And confirming that calls view model at delete board, which permanently remove the row from the Room database. So let me add a new board again. This time I'll have two new boards to show you. So this is where I close, and when I reopen it, it appears here. On this inspection, you can see the study boards table with actual rows stored in SQLite on the device. Here in the DAO, I define database operation using Room annotations. Inserts, updates, deletes are straightforward. The query annotation lets me write custom SQLs. Here, all boards returns a flow of the full list. In the view model, I convert the flow into a state flow using state_in with view model scope. This means all my compose screen can collect it and automatically withdraw whenever the database changes. These are my 4 CRUD functions, all wrapped in the view model scope.launch before the data. And these are my 4 CRUD functions, all wrapped in view model scope.launch because database operations are suspend functions that runs on background coroutine. Thank you.